Here's my DIY laundry soap recipe that you will absolutely love. I use this in my home now. I will never go back to using conventional laundry soaps because of the fact that this works amazing. I don't need a fabric softener any longer, and my towels, I've noticed, are getting that much fluffier, as well as decreasing that debris from all of the products I think that I was using before on my laundry. So you will absolutely love this, and I can't wait to hear how this is going to work for you. Now, we know that conventional laundry soaps have a bunch of chemicals in them, and they can cause a lot of different symptoms, especially with sensitivity. So skin and eye irritations from the phosphates, as well as different dyes in the laundry soaps, which can cause a lot of skin irritations and rashes, even eczema. There are optical brighteners as well, and this is a lot of chemicals, including benzene, and this increases the risk of cancer and other reproductive system related problems. 1,4-dioxane is also commonly found in conventional laundry soaps, and this is considered to be a possible carcinogen. Formaldehyde as well, think dead bodies, yeah, and what they're preserved in. I remember the lab when I had to deal with formaldehyde in the cadaver lab back in medical school, and this is crazy to think that this is in your laundry soap. As well as chlorine bleach, which we know is a halogen, can be very toxic as well, displaces your iodine, and that can compromise your thyroid health. Okay, so here we go with the recipe. You're gonna love this. I can't wait for you to make this because for me, again, a total game changer in terms of doing laundry. Okay, so what you need to find is some Castile soap, and this is a natural soap without any chemicals in here, and you're gonna use 2 tablespoons of this, and I'm mixing this into, and this is how I do it at home, in my mason jar. I like to mix things in, of course, glass, and this is filled with warm water, okay? So you're just gonna use 2 tablespoons of the Liquid Castile soap, and you're gonna mix that into your mason jar. Now, certainly you can do bigger batches than what I do, but I like just to do small batches. It's just easier for me to deal with, and this is the ratio, so you can also multiply this recipe as needed depending on the size of your container. So I've got the Castile soap in there, which is your natural soap. Now we're going to use 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So this has a really great effect at cleaning the clothes, has a brightening effect as well, helps with stains, and works a bit like a fabric softener as well. So 2 tablespoons in there, and now you can add some essential oils. Now you don't need to add essential oils. I see a lot of comments that people have some sensitivities, or if you have pets and things, if you don't want to use essential oil, you don't need to, but I love to use lavender. So 5 to 10 drops of a natural lavender essential oil into the mix. Peppermint is also a great option, especially if you have stinky clothes. I think about my kids, you know, stinky basketball clothes and shoes and things. The peppermint really does a great job at deodorizing, and again, is all natural. So now I've got that in there, and I'm just going to mix that up, and remember, my warm water is going to help to dissolve down that baking soda. Just mixing that up, and ideally then, of course, you're going to just pour this into your machine as needed. So whether it's into the dispensing part of your machine, it can be a top loader, a front loader. If you want to put this right over the clothes, no problem. Now what I will say is every time that you use this, you're going to want to shake this again slightly. It'll separate a little bit. Just shake it slightly and add that into your wash. You will love it. I want to hear about it in the comments. Now, for more information on how to do a full body detox to get those toxins out of your body, if you have been using conventional detergents for years, please check out my video, 9 Ways to Detox and Cleanse for a Total Body Detox. I'll see you there.